I live with a downstairs housemate who texted me to be quiet at 10:40 p.m., claiming I was making too much noise by walking around my room or moving furniture. However, I was just getting ready for bed, which includes putting on pajamas, brushing my teeth, and doing skincare. I had only been making noise for 12 minutes while listening to a podcast. I think it's reasonable to spend 10 to 15 minutes getting ready for bed before 11 p.m. I'm considerate and use headphones when listening to music or podcasts. I felt bad initially, but now I'm unsure if I'm in the wrong. Is it inappropriate to make noise in a shared house before 11 p.m.?